What to expect in the FEMA registration process. Missouri residents who sustained property damage or loss caused by the flooding and severe storms between April 28th and May 11th, 2017 should apply for disaster assistance with the Federal Emergency Management Agency, FEMA, even if you have insurance. Survivors in the counties affected by the disaster can apply for disaster assistance that may include money to help pay for temporary housing, emergency home repairs, or other disaster-related expenses. Also, homeowners, renters, and business owners may qualify for low-interest disaster loans from the U.S. Small Business Administration, SBA, to help recover from losses not covered by insurance, grants, or other sources. Here are 3 steps to follow when applying for federal disaster assistance. Step 1, registration. Register with FEMA. Call 800-621-3362. For TTY callers, 800-462-7585. If you use 711 or Video Relay Service, VRS, you can call 800-621-3362. Missouri Relay 800-735-2966. CapTel 877-242-2823. Speech-to-Speech 877-735-7877. VCO 800-736-0135. You can also go online to www.disasterassistance.gov. Use the FEMA app for smartphones. You can also register with FEMA at the Disaster Recovery Center. Find the nearest center by going online to recovery.mo.gov/www.fema.gov/DRCOR. If you have insurance, contact your agent and register with FEMA. When calling FEMA, it's helpful to have the following information handy. Social Security number, address of the damaged primary residence or apartment, description of the damage, information about insurance coverage, a current contact telephone number, an address where you can receive mail, bank account, and routing numbers for direct deposits of funds. If you are contacted by SBA regarding a low-interest disaster loan application, it is important to complete and submit it as soon as possible. Returning the application does not obligate the survivor to accept an SBA loan, but it is a necessary step to being considered for other forms of disaster assistance. The U.S. Small Business Administration offers low-interest disaster loans for businesses of all sizes, most private, nonprofit organization, and homeowners and renters. SBA also offers low-interest working capital loans called economic injury disaster loans to small businesses and most private nonprofit organizations having difficulty meeting obligations as a result of the disaster. For more information, applicants may contact SBA's Disaster Assistance Customer Service Center by calling 800-659-2955. Deaf and hard of hearing individuals may call 1-800-877-8339. You can also email disastercustomerservice@sba.gov or go online to sba.gov/disaster. When applying for assistance, you will receive a 9-digit registration number that can be used for reference when corresponding with FEMA. FEMA is committed to ensuring people with disabilities or others with access and functional needs get services and assistance. When you register, let FEMA staff know that you have a need or a reasonable accommodation request. Step 2, Inspections. After you register, a FEMA contracted inspector may call you to set up an appointment to assess your damaged property. Inspectors will never ask for bank account information, and there is no cost for the inspection. When FEMA inspectors arrive at a home, they will display official photo identification. If the photo identification is not displayed, it is important to ask to see it. Make sure your home or mailbox number is easily visible from the road. As a part of the inspection process, you must provide proof of ownership or occupancy. Homeowners may show a tax bill, mortgage payment receipt, or insurance policy with the property address. Renters may show a lease, rent payment receipt, utility bill, or other document confirming the home was their primary residence at the time of the disaster. Homeowners or renters must also present a valid driver's license or other photo ID. Step 3, Follow Up with FEMA. After registering for assistance, you will receive a letter regarding your application status. Some applicants may receive an SMS text message. The letter will explain the status of your application and how to respond. It's important to read the letter carefully. It is important to read and follow up with any correspondence from FEMA. You may have to log into your account on disasterassistance.gov or call the helpline at 800-621-3362 to keep the application process moving. You are also urged to keep your contact information up to date with a current address and phone number to ensure FEMA can reach you with new information or questions.